Hi everyone.
Hello.
Nice to meet you guys. Hi. So it is a great opportunity today to show you guys, to see you guys in the live show. So today's live show is to introduce our company, Shanghai Pharmaceutical Machinery. So it is a great opportunity to show you our manufacturing process and to show you our showrooms and also our company capability. My name is Ava, and I'm responsible for international sales here.
Hello, my name is Sarah. I'm taking charge of global sales department. Today, I will also accompany you to have a complete visit tour to our factory. So welcome here.
Hi. So behind me here is our Shanghai factory here. In this factory, we are mainly produce the BFS machine, which is short for blow fill seal machine. Our company is located in a small town in Shanghai. It is a very beautiful town.
Yeah, so many customers will ask, how big is our factory?
The area for our factory is 26 acres. We have the showroom and also manufacturing area, and also R&D department here in this building right here. Our main office is also located in Shanghai downtown. Our sales team, mainly sales team and also administration team, are all located in the other main office.
Okay, well, we will know our better. So let's step inside and see what's machines in our factories.
Yes,
please.
Let's go inside.
So Ava, how long have you worked here?
I have worked in SPM for 4 years. I really like our company culture here in our factory, in our company. It is all about the teamwork because we deal with a lot of big projects, and it is very hard for independent worker to complete all the process. When I first came into our company, when our customer asks me some questions that I do not have an answer to, I will ask to my colleagues.
Yeah.
Yes.
We will help each other.
Yeah, they will help me, and our engineering team are also very professional.
Yes.
They can answer our customer questions without a doubt.
Yes, that's really good atmosphere in our company. Yes, here is our main building. So we step inside this main building first.
Let's go in. Welcome to the main lobby.
Yeah, here's the main lobby. So I will give you a brief introduction about our company, SPM, which means Shanghai Pharmaceutical Machinery Co. Limited. So SPM established in 2004, and it has been more than 15 years from now. And as you can see, there are two logos. The first one is SPM, the second one is Wisan. Many customers will ask, what's Wisan? I will tell you, Wisan is our factory here because SPM has many factory sites in China, like in Shanghai, in Jiangsu, and in Liaoning. Wisan is our liquid production line manufacturer. So Wisan here has very specialized in BFS products and like ampoule filling, well filling, and like this kind of products.
Antibiotics, the vial fillings too.
Yes, and the Shanghai Pharmaceutical Machinery is mainly producing pharmaceutical machines and as well as total solution and turnkey projects to medicine factories. If you ask me more about SPM, I will tell you the background. Our director, Lucy, she established this company. So Lucy Bian has been in this industry for more than 25 years, and she always directing us to a very bright direction, very good business plan for our company, to our staffs. And we also have a title of high-tech enterprise. This is granted from our Chinese government. So, and this is very thanks to our technician teams. They are really good at research and development and maintaining the stability of our existing products.
So what is our products? What is our main products for our company?
Yeah, our main products mainly have 4 kinds. The first one is the solid production line and the liquid production line, also the packaging machines. The last one is the lab instruments. Yeah, I will tell you more later.
Okay, thanks for the introduction of our company. So let's go around this building and to see our working environment.
Yes. So here we can see many slogans. Could you translate it for us?
Yeah, sure, of course. The first line means the branding. The brand is our core, and the second line means that our product is we rely on our product.
Yes.
The third line means our human resources, which means our technical team. Our workers here are our base for this business. And the final line means technology is how we develop as a company.
Yes, the research and development. Yes.
So let's go inside this main office area. Because this is Sunday, so we don't have worker here in our office, but we will show you around right now. This office is our general manager's office, and this office is our technical department. As you can see on the wall, it means passion, dream, struggle means that how we solve the problems, and also specialty means our professionalism in what we work.
Yes.
And you can see almost every engineer have 2 computers to assist them to do their work.
Yes, like design work and other.
Yes.
So right. It's really a cozy atmosphere.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And let's go outside. And this part is the purchasing department. This building here is mainly for the technical team. It's their office. So all of the environment are designed to assist them to specialize in their work.
Yes. As we can see many drawings and many decorations in our company. So I really like our company's culture.
Yes, that's right. Because we believe, and our manager also believes, that company culture is a very important thing to a big cooperation like this. Because we do a lot of engineering work and a lot of big projects. It is not an individual work.
Yeah.
So the culture binds us all together to work through the same goals and to help each other out during our work.
So what's this area?
In our afternoon break, a lot of workers sit here for relax. And this board is our history profile, our company profile. We have a detailed explanation of our culture idea and also of a development course, a few pictures and our honors. And we will take a good look at our honoring and certification walls. So this one is the high-tech enterprise certification, and these are the invention patents, and these are all our patents that we print out and present to both our customers and also to ourselves, because it is our ability to achieve all these certification and all these great goals.
Yes, impressive.
Yes, and this one is also very important because this is the high-tech innovation invention resulting certificate.
Yes,
and we also have the ISO
certificate.
Yes, 9001. 9001. Okay. So after a quick view of our lobby, let's go inside and explain more about our products and what we do.
So just now I give you a brief introduction of our machines, and I remember I have talked about the total solution as well as the turnkey projects.
That's right.
Yeah, the turnkey projects, many customers will ask, what are they? So I need to explain that, because turnkey projects means we are capable of design the professional machines factory working process, and we can design and deliver all needed machines, clean rooms, training and maintenance, all this service like from A to Z. If you as a customer and you just give us a workshop layout and workshop drawing, and then we will design for you a satisfactory running workshop. So here it is the idea. Yeah, and for our main products, there are 4 kinds. Do you remember? The first kind is the solid production line. For the solid production line, I will show you a flow chart. The flow chart here. Is it clear? The flow chart here. So the solid production line mainly includes such as tablet press machine, capsule filling machine, coating machine, dryer, granulator, blender, shaving machine, and so on. As you can see, the very first step is the pulverization, which means crushing set. As you can see, the first machine photo. The first machine mainly function is like if you are a medicine factory, you will have many raw materials of this medicine. And these medicines are mainly particles, like small particles, big particles, and granules. So the first step, you will need to grind them, crush them into a smaller size. So we put the raw material here, and then this part is the dust collecting part. If in the crushing process, there will be not too much dust. So after this machine, you will go the second process. The second process is the filtering. The filtering process, you can see it here. The machine is a screening machine. The meaning is for if the granulates particles are not even, then you go through this machine, then you will have the even size of the granulates. Okay, the third step is mixing and granulating. Here you can see, here is the top mixture. We have many kinds of mixture, like top mixture, V-type mixture, and also multi-directional mixture.
Yes, I think these machines like pulverization machines and also mixers are not only used for pharmaceutical fields and also for cosmetics, food processing, agriculture. They are very multi-use machines.
Yeah, this one, if you are a medicine factory, the contact part of this machine is usually stainless steel 316L. If you are not that require not that too high, you can use stainless steel 304. Yes. So after this step, we will go through the drying process. The drying process, you will have the dryer. The dryer like this one, and we also call it a oven. So after you go this oven, and you will get the granulates or the parcel very dry, because many medicine factories have requirements in the humidity of the medicine. So after that, we will have regulation and formulating. We make some parts of the raw materials in certain percentage, and we mix them again. So we will also use the mixture again, this one. After this step, you will have two directions. One is mainly for capsules. The other one is for tablets. For capsules, you will use the capsule filling machine. And for tablets, you will use tablet press. Here is the tablet press and the loader. Because many tablet press have the difficulty in charging the raw material. This loader is mainly on the top of the tablet press and conveying the raw material to the main machine. Also, this tablet polisher. This one is the dust deductor. Okay.
And for capsules, we can use them for the solid capsule filling and also these soft capsules.
Yes.
Yes, different kind of capsules.
Yeah, and this one, you can see there is a band on the capsule. There is for liquid capsule filling, and we also have this one. This one is not very common, but this machine is usually in a whole set, not separate.
Yes. Yeah. It is very special because you can fill the liquid in a hard capsule.
Yes, if you are like small scale of medicine factory, we will suggest you to adopt a semi-automatic one, because semi-automatic one also can fill liquid capsules. This is a very latest technology of our capsule filling machines, and the price is also very good. So if you are interested in our capsule filling machines, liquid capsule filling machines, please follow us.
Yes, follow us, and also click on the catalog. You can comment in our commenting section and leave us a message. Our sales team will reply you as soon as possible. They will reply you very, very soon. Yeah.
Yeah, also there are many links in our showroom, right? And you can use that link to direct you to the right product. And if you want to know more details about specific machines, you can leave us a message. We will give you answers later.
Yes, we will explain more about the products, the machines.
Yes, later we have a Q&A part, right?
Yes. It is especially for designed to answer all of your questions in the commenting section.
Okay, that's very good. After the capsule filling machine and the tablet press machine, we will go to the coating machine, because some tablets taste bitter, so they will need sugar coating or the other coating to make it smooth. After that, we will go through the blister packing. This one is blister packing. Blister packing machine. It can also package capsules and tablets. Here. Next one, you can see, next one is the cartoning machine. Cartoning machine means we put these blisters in one paper box. So this one is cartoning machine. Okay. Okay, we finished talking about the solid production line.
Yeah. I see there is a very clear process for all the machines, and also our how we suggest our customer what kind of machine they need. So let's talk about the second category, the liquid production line.
Okay, the liquid production line mainly includes like ampoule filling machines, well filling machines, and like oral liquid injections and eye drops. This kind of machines.
And also these spray bottles. These spray bottles, this is for the nozzle.
Spray, nozzle spray. Yes, also this one, like the soft tube, like cream filling machine. And normally we put the tube here, and the machine fills the cream, and then we seal this part. So many customers ask me one question before. They always ask me, Sarah, could you suggest us a suitable production line, like oral liquid production line? Because we just new in this industry, and we want to know how much it costs and what is going on, like how to run a small medicine factory. Have you met this question before?
Yes, I see a lot of these customers because as most of our customers are new in this area, and they want to know more details about how to set up the factory and also choose the right machines, and our sales team can help our customer to solve all these problems.
Yes, like for these kinds of customer, actually I have met a lot. They do not like that big medicine factories that experienced. Basically, they do not have a lot of knowledge about this area.
Yes, and because big factories requires a lot of guidelines, a lot of person to involve in these kind of big factories.
Yeah, for this kind of products, we usually have a very standard process. We will make a normal, like standard document for the whole production line, specify like the liquid filling machine, like the blister, like the capping machine, labeling machine, and cartoning machine. Then, because many customers have very different ideas and different questions for the production line, so I will specify also the cost of the raw material, the number of the workers they will need, and like the altitude assumption. So this may be our advantage, because we will give them a standard process. Also, we will give them our professional experience suggestion to them. So for these kinds of customers, they may have a very professional plan. They will have a better ideas.
Yes, we can provide our professional advice to this kind of customer, and to bring the best help to help them. Yes.
And for this kind of professional advice, it's for free. So please be free to contact us. That's fine, and no worries about that. So for the packaging line, it mainly include like this. We talked before, this blister packing machine and the punch bag packing machine. We can fill like granulars, tea, and for food, right?
Yes.
Tea for food, not just only for medicine. This one, the filling, this one is the Chinese medicine. So it's not like the wrong type or certain type. But we can fill this one too. We can use like weighing process and the scoring process to fill this product.
And we also, this one is for the tea bag.
Yeah, tea bags.
Tea bags, you can see there is small bag and big bag.
Yeah, and this
tea bags
here.
Bag packaging.
And also the powder here, granulates here.
Different shapes. Longer ones, the smaller ones.
And this one is a 3-set sealing, and this one is back sealing.
Yes.
Yeah. And for packaging machine and the labeling machine, we will have this one. Label, the one-side labeling machine. Also, we will have 2-side labeling machine, like 2 labels around the one bottle. Okay, so for the lab instruments, we will have like a smaller desktop tablet press, and also some device to estimate the percentage of the medicine. Yes.
Stiffness.
Yeah.
Humidity.
Yeah. Like this small device.
They are mostly used in the QC labs in the factory.
Yeah, to control the quality of the products.
Yes.
Okay, so I have done these products of our factory. So what is the Turnkey Projects? Could you give us more details about it?
Yes, sure, of course. Thank you, Sarah, for sharing with our products. So our company have helped out a lot of customers around the world to build big turnkey projects, which means that the A to Z process to help our customer to build a very big pharmaceutical plants. So we have built these kind of projects in Asia, in Middle East, in South Africa, and also in Uzbekistan too. A lot of areas in the world.
So how many projects we have done?
In the past years, we have done more than 10 big projects. Most of them are for solid production line and IV production line.
Okay, very good.
So for solid production line, we help our customers to build capsule production and also tablet production, because most of our customers ask us to produce both types of these medicines, because the guidelines and also environmental guidelines and standards are similar in those two. As you saw in the products that Sarah just explained, the procedure are similar, but for tablets, only the packaging step and also the producing step are different. The environment, the clean room standards are similar. And for the liquid production, we mainly build the IV solution plants. IV solutions such as these.
This one, also yes. This one.
This one is the 500 ml bottles, and this one is the
250 ml.
Yes. And also this is the IV solution for IV too. This is 20 ml, and this one is used especially BFS Technology.
Yeah, this product is for injection.
Yeah. Injection, and this is the big bottle using BFS Technology too.
Yeah, later we will see our BFS machine is very high-tech machines.
Yes.
Okay.
And other projects we have built are all satisfied with GMP guidelines.
So GMP guidelines is very essential and very important guidelines.
Right.
And there are also many different types of GMP. So how do we adapt them?
When we first meet our customers, we'll communicate with our customer very carefully and to know their requirements and also their government requirements. And we'll also give them suggestions what kind of process they need to take care of those kind of projects. And GMP also have different adaptation in different parts of the world, such as GMP, CGMP, EU GMP, and other guidelines like FDA, HACCP, EDMF, and also COS. So when we meet our customers, we will set up all these guideline schedules and make sure that we don't have any problems with them. And also we will have a team of customers to assist us during all these constructions to make sure we don't have any encounter any problems.
Yes, as Ella said, our own machines have met GMP standard. And if you are set up a factory and you need to apply for GMP, and we will give you all supporting documents for you, and we will suggest you which GMP you could apply. This is very convenient for our customers. So actually there is a lot of work for the big project like this. How do you start the project?
We have a very specific timeline. We have a very specific timeline to design for these kind of projects. As you can see here, this is our timeline. So first, we'll go to the information gathering procedure. This will, if everything's smooth, will take around 1 to 2 weeks to gather all the information, such as what kind of products, specific products are you producing, what is the production capacity that you desired, what kind of packaging you want, and also how is your human resources? Do you have enough personnel to assist you for these kind of production? And then this one is the master engineering step. So this is a big part. We will by now we will know what kind of GMP guidelines you are requiring. So we will plan out the clean room, the construction design, the civil work, and also process P&D layout, all according to our customer requirements.
Yeah, this step is mainly for design work.
Yes, design work. So next we go to the third step. This is the construction work. So once we have all the designs, all the layouts, and we are sure that there is no problems with our customer, we settle down the layout and also do the construction of the machines based on what type of machines you are asking. So that will take nearly 3 months to 6 months. Yes, for the construction of the machines. And also in this step, we'll send our clean room setup team to your country and to set up the clean room. Later, we will show you a few pictures of our projects.
Okay, what's the next step?
The next one is the technical training and commissioning. After we have done all the construction work, it is time to train and to assist our customers on how to use the machines and also
how to maintain them.
Yes, how to maintain them, and also what is the correct process to manufacture all the products. We will send our training team for SAT, and we will give our customer all the documents, qualification documents such as IQ, OQ, PQ, yes, EDQ, all those qualification documents. Okay, so this part is the validation. After the training, we generally produce 3 batch of the final products, and then after that, our customer will go through the validation process to see and also the qualification to see how to perform the production into the right direction. And then the next step is the after sales. After sales is a big part for a machinery factory like us, because machines need constant maintenance, and we will provide 1 year of guarantee period, and also we will go through, we'll have 24/7 services, and engineers are on call 24/7 to assist you if you have encountered any kind of problems.
Yeah, as we can see, organized procedures for turnkey projects is very important. And let's see how the finished projects like. Could you show us?
Yes, sure, of course. So I will show a few examples, the 2 examples of our big projects. So this one is the Vietnam project. Their product is penicillin and cephalosporin injection project. This one is the WHO approved GMP. It is a cooperation with 2 very big pharmaceutical company in both Vietnam and also in China. This project receives a very high recognition from both the governments. And as you can see here, this picture shows the layout of all the machines and also the equipment. This is a CAD graph, auto CAD graph of the machines that need to be put in the clean room. This is overview. And here, this is the WHO GMP approved picture, and this is the opening of the factory. And the government officials also presented in the opening ceremony. These are a few machines, the injection molds, the oven, and those are the PP bottles. Here. And this is our workers working and having discussion on site. Before we go to the working site, we will decide on how the PID works and also what kind of machineries are gonna happen in this workshop. However, life is life. There will be a lot of problems come up in the reality. So our engineer team have to communicate with the local engineers and our customers constantly to make sure everything goes into the right direction.
Yeah, I have one customer ask us about how long will be for a total one project.
That will take around 3 to 6 months.
3 to 6 months.
Yes, depending on what kind of project you need. Because for a solid production line, the lead time is shorter compared to IV solutions. Because for IV solutions, it has a higher standard to produce them because you have to inject them in humans or pets. So we have to be more careful and also to plan out how the products work.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So if you are interested in our turnkey projects, please leave us a message or leave us some comments below. And if you are interested in knowing us more, please welcome to Shanghai, and we will take a detailed tour.
Yes, of course. And the second project I will show you is the Serum Project. This one also recognized by the health department of the Syria, and their health department, as you can see here in the picture, also visited our factory. So this is a solid production line, and the production rate is over 200 million per year. And this is the team gathering before the project opened. You can see the floor is still gray and we haven't built anything yet. And this is the picture of the when the day when we left. And you can see they are very happy about the project.
Yes, there are also actually government staffs in here,
Mm-hmm,
and
yes.
they put a lot of proud and very satisfied about our project.
Yes. This is the clean room corridor, and the government was visiting and taking a view of the finished project. And at the end, I will show you how we build the clean room. Here is how they plan out. And this is the picture of them working. This is a picture of the final clean room. They are all wearing the clothes that are required. And this is the pipeline that is on top of the ceiling. It is for the AC and also air conditioning, and also for the clean air. This is the workers inspection and also the finished project. Yes. Okay.
Okay. So now let us see any comments or questions for our products or turnkey projects. Let's check out. So any questions over there? Then I saw that one customer is asking about our BFS technology.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, the BFS technology for like this one. You can see any difference between this one and this one?
Yeah, I think we can explain more about the BFS technology. Here, this is a PP bottle that is using the regular injection mode, and then blow out the bottle, and then fill the filling, and then put on the cap, like this. However, using our BFS technology, the input is the PP or PE particles. The particles go into the BFS machine, and it will heat up the particles and blow out this bottle immediately. And then it will fill the medicine into this bottle within 0.5 seconds, and then seal the cap within 0.5 seconds. So this is to prevent any contamination into the bottles. As you know that, and also I have explained a few minutes earlier that IV solutions require very high cleanness in the production. So that is why it is a very big advantage for BFS machine to use manufacture IV solutions and also eye drops too.
Yes.
Yes. This is a sample for the eye drops.
Yeah. Actually, now in China, many cosmetic factories using this technology because they can feel like essentials
Yes, serums.
Yeah, it's
essentials.
one time, and when you use this one, it's one time thing. You use it and you finish it, and you can just
throw it away. And you can put less chemicals to maintain the lifetime in the medicine and also serums. And I think the users are very these type of packaging are very popular in the end users personally because through the advertising our customer, the end user also know that this kind of packaging put less chemicals to maintain the lifetime of the product.
Yes, I think it's enough for now for telling us the BFS technology, because we will know better about BFS later in our showroom.
Yes, and we will also have a session tomorrow at 11 o'clock Beijing time in the morning to show you more BFS technology, more information, and also we will test run our machines in our workshop tomorrow.
Yeah. You can see machine running. Yes. Tomorrow we will have two other shows. One is the 11 o'clock.
Yes.
Yeah, the second one is
3 o'clock in the afternoon.
Yeah.
The time is Beijing time.
And we will show you also the other aspects of our company.
Yeah. And please also follow us, follow our company, and you will get notifications when we start our live.
Sure.
Yeah, sure.
So any other questions?
Okay, so let's continue to the after sales service.
Okay, after sales. Yeah, how can we be sure that everything will be okay when our engineers left our construction site? In what ways will you use? Will you help us?
Yes. The after sales is a big part in machinery companies because the machines require very frequent maintenance. So our after sales is a very big part in our company, and we, as a responsible company, will provide you 1 year of guarantee and also lifetime services. And here is a procedure that explain our after services. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 positions that will help you to go through the after sales services. So the sales networkers such as me and Sarah will be responsible for customer orders through the beginning to the end.
Yes.
And we will have technical engineers. They are the most important part in our company. They will also assist you from the beginning of the end if you have any technical problems and have any troubleshootings.
Yeah, because at first, if you have the design of the bottles or of the tablets, then we can give you a full design or professional design. And you can adopt our design to manufacture your product. And we will welcome you for any modifications. Yes, any changes, that's fine.
Because our goal is to help our customers.
Yeah.
And the third position is the record administrator. They are assist our customers and also assist coworkers like us to remind us what kind of problems our customer have, and also to follow up any details. And then it's the service engineer. They are mainly engineers for commissioning and tuning of the machines. They will go to the working site and help you tune the machines.
Yes, our technicians and engineers, they will have a certain training as well. Yes. And usually it's once per month.
Yes.
Right.
To make sure that we follow up with the
latest technology.
Yes.
Yes.
And then there is telephone service. We have 24/7 telephone service because our customers are all, we have a worldwide customer base. So we will have 24/7 customer service if you have any emergency, and we can solve the problems immediately. And here is the professional trainers. They will train our customers when we finish all the production, and also they will also train our technical team if they have any new technology, and also if they encounter any customer problems to keep us updated. And the last one is the FAQ shooting on web. You can go to our website because this is the worker that go to our website, and you can leave us messages, your problems, and we will have a special team to answer all of your questions.
Okay, that's good. So next step, let's go to the manufacturing area, shall we?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes. Hi. So let's go to our manufacturing area. This way. Hi. Welcome back, and we'll go to our manufacturing area.
Please follow us.
This way.
Today's weather is really good.
Yes.
And Shanghai now is very hot. Today's temperature is about 36.
Wow, that's very hot.
Yeah.
And it is very sunny today.
Yes.
How is the weather in your country? Please also follow us, and also check out our catalog to see our products.
Yes.
You can also leave us any comments and your questions. We'll also answer your questions.
Yeah, we're happy to answer you.
So here we'll enter through door 1. This part is the machine shop.
Okay. Please introduce us more.
Yeah, of course. Here, right here in the machine shop, we have around 10 CNC machines. CNC machines are designed for detail cuttings for the machine parts. We produce the machine parts in our workshop for our machines. So the machines can perform cuttings and also very specific molds and machine parts without any human interference. Machines are designed for very high quality cuttings and has a very high precision. The cuttings are performed all by computers without any human interference. Yes. So once the technical team communicate with the customer what kind of machine they want, they will issue the drawings to the manufacturing team, and they will put the drawings into the machine, into the CNC machine like this, to prevent any human errors.
Yeah. What's next?
Next, I will show you here.
Yeah. As you see, today is Sunday in China, so there are few workers here. Yes. But it's also good for us to take a few view of our workshop.
Yes, that is right. So our company also provide a very thorough training process for any newcomers, because to manufacture the machine parts and to operate the machines require very high capability. So when a newcomer first comes to our company, they will have 3 to 6 months as a trainee. In these periods, they will follow with a mentor, and the mentor will teach them how to use the machine, and they will focus on small projects and also practice on the side. And as they get more experience, they will lead on a big projects, and also we work together as a team.
Yeah. After that, they will also teach others for the technicians.
I think this process helped not only us to become a very professional team, and also give the workers a very good opportunity to grow as themselves.
That's really nice.
Yes. And we can see in our manufacturing area, there is safety is our #1 priority. So we will have give our worker personal protective device for them, and we have labels on the wall to remind our workers that safety is the most important thing.
Yeah, safety control.
Okay, so let's go to the next part of our factory.
What's the next part?
The showrooms of our other machines that we have manufactured.
Yeah.
Okay. So we'll go through there to the next door, from door 2.
Let's move to door 2, and I will show you some details of our sample machines in our showroom. And you will see many cans in this showroom.
And these machines are, Sarah just explained in our office, such as the solid production, the liquid production.
Yes. I will mainly pick up some of them to give you a detailed introduction.
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah, please have a look from here. You can see many rows of the sample machines here. This is for convenience for our customer if they want to know more of our production lines. So the very first one, we can see this one. This one belongs to the solid production line, also belongs to the laboratory instrument. This one actually is a single punch tablet press. It is designed for pressing round tablets from various granulator materials applicable to lab use for research and to small-scale production. As its feature, it is more desktop continuous press, driven by like motor or manpower. Both kind is fine. Only one set of the punch and die is mounted. The depth of the filling can be various. This one is actually a very new type of the single punch machine. And if you choose tablet press machine, the main difference for this one is depends on the pressure. This one is about 40 kN, and we also have the 15-1, 51, 41, also 61. It mainly depends on your raw materials, like how your powder is, how it is easy to be pressed. And we move towards this machine. This machine is mainly mixture. It's multi-directional mixture. As we said before, mixture has many cans. It also have this one, V-type mixture, and also the tough mixture. And you can see the inside there is a screw inside. It meets many different requirements of our customers. And the volume, the capacity of this mixture change a lot from about 5 liters to about 1,000 liters. So this wide range can meet all customers' requirements. Let's move forward. So this one is the punch bag packing machines. And as you can see, you can feel the powder, granulators, and also other not even granulates like Chinese medicine and others like small piece of chocolates. Also for food industry is fine. And also for this one is the blister packing machine. This blister packing machine has 2 trial, and the capacity is bigger than 1 trial. So this one is the most popular model and capacity for customers. It's not too high and not too small.
Yeah, and we can also customize these molds into the medicine that you are having. We have also customized one machine to fill the chocolates. It is a very special machine. We spent a lot of time designing it, and the customer was very happy that his requirement is satisfied in our factory.
Yes, if you would like to have a high capacity, we also have that one. It's fine. And many customers would ask that how to input the capsule into the blister. We mainly have 2 kinds. The first kind, if your tablets or raw material is irregular, then we can put the raw material by hand. If here is the raw material loading box. And if you have regular products, then we can fill just by charging device. It's really convenient. So let's move this way. This one is also blister packing machine. This one is bigger capacity than that one, which we can see is 4 trial of the blister. So it's higher capacity. And for the PLC, we usually adopt Siemens, but this one is just for our sample machines, so adopt one Chinese brand. Siemens, Schneider, and also other Japanese PLC, that's fine. We accept customization. As for this one, the first one I introduced the single punch tablet press. This one is the rotary type. As you can see, details, please come closer. The details, and there are many punches, many stations. These machines have 35 stations. And 35 stations, the capacity is around 150,000 pieces per hour. So this one is higher capacity. We also have that capacity about 300,000 one. And here is the output of the tablet. Yeah. And also we can put raw material charging device on the top of the machines. So no need for manpower if you use this device. And if you found that there is a lot of dust when making the
and liquid. Okay.
Okay,
So
that's impressive. Let's move to the actual machines.
Yes, I think you can't wait to see how the machine works.
Too excited to see our BFS machines.
Okay, so the biggest machine here, this is for LVP.
What means LVP?
It means large volume parenterals.
Yeah.
It can fill from 100 ml to 1000 ml. They are mainly used for IV solutions.
Okay.
And we can customize our machine based on our customer needs. For example, you can have different shapes of bottles. You can have different shapes of the caps. Most of our customers ask for EU cap, but we can also provide other caps too. So let's have a description of the machine.
Yeah.
So this part is all the filters. They are for the air filters, the liquid filters, and also the grade A shower air filters.
This machine can also connect it to like CIP and SIP, right?
Yes, that's right. You can see this part is the CIP, SIP control
cabinet. Panel.
Yes, control cabinet, and all the pipelines are in the cabinet right here. The CIP and SIP procedure can provide a very detailed cleaning before and after you have a batch of production.
Yeah, after changing the products. That's good. So our PLC, the touchscreen system, we usually have a SCADA system, and they can record each batch information, and they will give us a detailed like a sheet, comparison of each batch quantity, and you can take use of this one to make your work more compatible to the standards.
Yes. And after SIP, they will also have a curve line to test if the procedure is all completed, and they will provide you a graph to show you the whole process. So we can see over here the particles are blown through, and then here are the nozzles to fill the blow and also fill the liquid in, and then the bottles are transferred to here, and the clamp will transfer the bottles to here, and also after that it will have the cap rolling and also cutting machines to give us the final product. So
where are we?
So let's go through to the next machine.
Sure.
This one is the SVP machine, which is stand for small volume parenterals. This is designed for our customer for 20 ml IV solutions, and it has a very high capacity. As you see, it is double stationed. The products will come through here and transfer here for cutting, and there is another station.
Yeah, double station means the two sides of the machines have the same function, so the capacity will be doubled.
Here is the filter. These machines are all sold to our customer, and they are all under construction. The filling volume for SVP is 0.1 ml to 50 ml. We can design the bottle shape and also the filling volume based on our customer needs.
Mm-hmm. So how long is the lead time for this machine?
For the SVP, it is around 5 months. We can complete one small volume pro machine. And also for the large LVP one, it will take around 6 months.
So all these machines are all designed for customers or?
Yes, they are all customized according to our customers' requirements. Because it is a very big machine and it has a very high technical standard. The process to build this machine is very important for us. So our sales team and also our engineer will discuss with our customer through multiple meetings to make sure that we understand our customers' needs. Yeah. We will write down an URS, which is the user requirement. We'll make sure that everything is falling to the right direction.
Yes.
Yes, and after that, we will, after we have signed all the contract, the URS, we make sure that there's no problem. Our engineer will issue the drawings according to the requirements to the manufacturing team. And the manufacturing team will manufacture the machines in our workshop, and also we will purchase some of our machine parts too. So the purchasing team and also manufacturing team will work together to meet the lead time. Yes. We'll have a very specific schedule.
And as we all know, many customers, they will ask to change our configurations. Like some customers may think there is useless for the panel or the other part of the machine.
Yes.
And they will change like the PLC brand, other system brand. So if for this kind of customers, for this kind of order, we will give customer a timeline for extra like spare parts purchasing time.
Yes.
Yes. So this please be understand for our purchasing system.
And after all the machine parts received to our factory, we'll have inspection team to inspect our every machine parts, whether it's all purchased or manufactured in our workshop. The parts are measured very carefully and also according to our requirements.
Yes,
so if there's anything wrong with the parts, we'll send out back to the company, and we'll also rebuild the machine parts if they are manufactured by ourselves. Yeah.
Yes, this is belong to our IQC parts.
Yes.
Yes, we have a very serious control for the IQC. Later, we will show you a flow chart for this IQC process.
So if you want to see the test run of the machine, you can come back tomorrow. Tomorrow is Monday, and we will start our BFS touring and also test run at 11 o'clock in the morning, Beijing time.
Yes, please come back tomorrow.
And you can also click on our catalog to see more about our product and also follow our company too.
Yeah, please follow us.
Yes. So after the inspection, if everything is good, we'll go to our assembly team. Will take the job and assemble the project, the machines. After that, before FAT, our team will test the machines by ourselves to make sure there is nothing wrong with the machine, and then
no more running.
Yes, that's right. And after FAT, after FAT, we will go through the SAP and send out the machines to our company.
So what was this machine? What's its model?
This model is SVP model, but this one is the single station. The one we just saw is the double station, and this one is the single station. This is prepared for a big pharmaceutical machine, pharmaceutical plants in Shanghai, in China. It is also for IV fillings. The capacity for this is 9,000 pieces per hour.
9,000 pieces.
Yes.
How much volume?
This one is for. It actually has 4 models. Most 1 ml, 2 ml, 5 ml, and 10 ml. We can all do from 1 to 10 ml in the same machine.
Yeah, if like 3 volumes, then we can add extra mode.
Yes.
So one size is for 1 mode. If you need 3 sizes, then it will be 3 modes, 3 sizes.
Yes, and we can also input exerting mode into the existing mode and to make it adapt with more volume filling requirements.
Yes, that's convenient.
Yes. So next part we will go to a storage place. Show you the storage area. Because the manufacturing of the machine requires a lot of machine parts. So the storage system is actually very accurate and also a very big part to make sure everything is organized.
Yes, I usually saw our staffs to have a very detailed record. And each batch of the spare parts arrive to our factory, then she will record the batch number, the quantity, and the specifications. So now let's check the inside. Show me.
We can see here that every part is labeled and everything is organized according to what type of machine, what type of parts are those.
Yes. So at first, our suppliers delivers these spare parts to our factory. We will check all the spare parts to our list and to see whether it is correct for the name, specifications, and the quantity. Make sure these are all correct. Then we will put them to IQC and we check the quality. So if the quality is good, then we will put them and label them into a qualified area. And these kinds of parts will wait for our technicians to pick and to assemble our machines. And if these kinds of spare parts are not qualified, then we will label them and notice to our purchasing department, and we will send them back and to repair them to a totally different process. So this, I think, is a very reasonable process for the accuracy control. And also the waste of the accuracy control is very limited and very small, because each batch of the raw material we will check carefully and we will have very detailed recordings.
Yes, we believe that efficient work will give us the best result.
Yeah, that's right. And today is Sunday, so you can see the door of our IQC is locked, so we cannot even for us, we cannot step inside.
Yes.
Yeah.
It is a very great opportunity to meet you guys, even though you are at home in this period, and to show you guys our company, the manufacturing steps, and also introduce our company. So it is a great time to meet you guys. And if you guys have any questions, please leave the questions in the comments. And also you can send us emails. We'll explain more in tomorrow's live show.
Yeah, I just found out some questions sent by customers here. The first one is, do you have any guidelines to select and approve suppliers, our suppliers? How to like sort them to become our suppliers?
First, we have a very careful selection timeline to select the suppliers. We will first go to their factory to test, to look at their products,
ability.
Yes, their products, their ability, capability, and then we will use a few batch of their products to see if they are suitable for our manufacturing process. And then after that, we are very sure and confirmed on this supplier. We will continue to work with them to make sure that our quality is very stable.
Yeah, there are usually three main aspects for us to choose our suppliers. The first one is the quality, which is very important for us because we are high-tech machines. So the quality is very first and a very important one. The second one is the delivery time, because the delivery time is really does matter. Because our customers gave us like 6 months to manufacture. If our suppliers cannot give us spare parts according to our timeline, to our time schedule, we will delay the delivery of the whole machine. So this is also an important aspect for us to consider our suppliers. The third one is also important for us is the price. Because, you know, as we are a manufacturing site, so we need to control our cost. For us to choose a supplier, we need to compare at least 3 suppliers and to see these main aspects and the price as well as the price. At last, we will find out one suitable supplier for us. So this is just the basic procedures
to how we select
sort of the suppliers.
Yes.
And also, I saw another question. Do you inspect each order of your purchased components? This customer asked, have we inspected each order of our specific components?
Yes, of course. Every batch of our purchase order are inspected by our IQC system and also our IQC workers to make sure that the components, the machine parts are all qualified to our standard and to prevent any problems that came up later on.
Yeah, and also each department of our company, like the purchasing department, like the technicians, and the storage of our workshop, and they will have their own sheets to record what spare parts are needed and what spare parts specifications. So they will have a triple times of checking to make sure the spare parts are qualified and what we need.
Yes, and from our CNC workshop, there is also another team of inspection. After they inspect the machine parts, if all of them are qualified, they will then send to the assembly team.
That's really good. So let's check. What other more questions?
Is there any other questions?
No.
Okay.
Let's back to the workshop or?
Okay. Okay, let's head back to the work. To the office.
Yeah.
So it was a very great time to meet you guys today, and we are very glad that we can show you our company and our process. And please come back tomorrow at 11 o'clock and 3 o'clock. You can see our test runs of our machine, and we'll explain in the showroom that other machines in details that we make.
So we have 2 more extra live show. If you are looking for good suppliers like us, and if you are looking for this high-tech products like us, and please come tomorrow.
Okay.
Thanks, everyone.
Thank you, everyone. So the final step, we will show you the banner of our BFS Technology. So we can make mainly 2 types of the machines. This one is for LVP, stands for large volume parenterals. This is the machine picture. And you can see that we have different caps options. These are the bottles, the different caps and options. And we can also build a screwing cap.
Yeah, could you show us what's BFS? What is short for?
BFS is short for blow, fill, seal machine. The blow means that when the PP or PE particles inserted into the machine, it will blow. It will melt all the materials. It will melt all the materials and then blow it into the bottle shape. And after that, it will fill in the medicine liquid. And then it will seal the caps. Seal it right here. As you can see, this will save a lot of energy and also save spaces and also save the manufacturing team to a lot of work. Okay, so next one is the SVP. It is short for small volume parenterals. SVP also using PP and PE material. And this is a picture of the single station machine. Single station will have a capacity around 9,000 pieces per hour, and the double station will have around 16,000 pieces per hour. This kind of packaging has eliminated the potential hazards in handling and also in filling to eliminate any contaminations. For IV solutions, most of our customers choose the PP bottle because PP material is good for terminal sterilization, and IV solutions are required by terminal sterilization. So if you have any questions about the BFS technology, you can email us and leave us a message, and we'll explain you more in detail and solve any of your problems. So this is today's live show. It was very great to see you guys, and see you tomorrow to come back to our live show at 11 o'clock and 3 o'clock.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye, everyone. Nice to meet you.